We'll meet you guys over there, okay? Yeah, take your time. We'll save you a good spot. Or if we break down, remember to help us out, okay?
If we get stuck in the mud.
All right. See you there.
See ya. Bye. Good morning to be crew. Today we are gonna leave this campsite and we just say goodbye to Natalie and Ismail for now because we are gonna meet them again in Jiggin Shore. And today will be a really long drive. Google say 4 hours 45 minutes, but we are expecting to be a 6 hour. So Natalie and Ismail will be there today too. So both of us will be on the road, right?
Yeah.
So hopefully we can get there early because the reason why our car has the engine inside. So if we don't arrive early, we are gonna be in sauna. So let's get on the road. A lot of cooks. What is going on?
I know, just smile.
일이 있나 봐. Senegal is 그러니까. 배고프지? 시리얼 오늘 코딱지밖에 못 먹어. If we wanna heat up, we can put it in here.
Brand new street and brand new me. Side by friends I need.
Guys, we are driving Casamance region. This area has enough water. Actually, there's a river going through, and they do the rice pump. Is it right to say rice pump farming? Yeah, rice paddies. So there's a lot of resource in here. And then one different thing is like here. 뭔데? 강아지가. Yeah, we gotta be careful. One thing more, because there's a goat jump on the road, and then sheep jump on the road, and just dog jump on the road. Anyways, so in Casamance, one thing different is that we can see a lot of like a green area, also the water, and some trees here like so dense. It's really nice, and Mark haven't seen that much green like for over an year. So we are kind of amazed about it. Poor Mark, he's driving pretty long time, but it is 1 more hours. We're gonna get there, okay? Fighting, fighting.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Oh my god. Oh, again.
You're kidding.
Oh my god.
Did you go to Gambia? One day, okay.
Yeah, they're here. Six hours drive side effect.
Morning.
Wait. Good morning.
Hey, ready for the embassy, huh?
Pizza. Oh, nice.
A decent clothing.
Oh, long
I don't
clothes.
know if Hawaiian shirt is a decent clothing.
Coffee, cheers.
Cheers.
Cute. Was hot.
How do you feel this morning?
Better, but I have a little bit body. Always aware that he's a driver. I don't know. I feel like body ache.
It's stressful being my passenger.
And yesterday, absolutely, it was hot. And I woke up middle of night and sweating because of the engine hit.
I told you not turn off the fan.
I just want to conserve our battery, and then I suffer. Here we gotta get ready, drink coffee, and then we gotta go to port.
Yep.
오늘 항구 가가지고 다카르까지 가는 배를 발품 팔아가지고 구해야 돼. Do I look okay? My hair is a mess, isn't it?
No,
It's just like after shower, I just fall asleep.
That looks fine. 만약에 우리 그 ferry 못 구하면
가면 두 가지 방법이 있는데 감비아로 트랜짓해서 갈 수 있는 그냥 패싱하는 방법이 있는지 알아보거나 아니면 3일 동안 또다시 똑같이 이렇게 감비아를 돌아가지고 운전해서 가야 되지. We gotta figure it out.
Yep.
Hopefully we don't get scammed. You put the sunscreen?
Yeah, it did.
Yeah.
Speak English?
Yes, we do.
Nobody speak English here.
Yeah.
It's a French country.
Yeah. We
So you from Japan?
no Korea.
Or South Korea?
Yeah.
North Korea or South Korea?
South.
South Korea.
Yeah.
So how long you here?
We just arrived in here yesterday.
So
Yeah.
you just live here?
The camping.
Camping,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Take car?
Yeah.
Okay, we go in. Okay.
Okay.
Get in.
Okay. Thank you. Merci.
Nobody speak English here.
Yeah. Right. Wait. Okay. Got it. 얼마래?
Meal.
이름 얼마야?
1,000.
Oh, he speak really good English.
Yeah, he's gonna help us out, huh?
Yeah.
Maybe it's from Gambia.
Maybe. Guys, we grab a taxi and we are gonna go to the port and figure it out. We can get a ferry on Friday or Sunday. Let's see. And Mark did the grab a taxi and it's 1,000 sefas. So yeah, it's pretty good, right?
Probably not like pretty good, but it's good enough for us. Merci. Alright. I guess that must be the ticket office over there.
Go with him.
Okay.
Euros is 335 euros. It's a ridiculous price. It's like 15 hours.
Yeah.
You know, ferry, so it's not worth it to do
Yeah,
it.
definitely not worth it.
So guys, like we just talked with the guy who's like doing the vehicle part, and he's asking the 150,000 sefas, right? Is it correct way to say?
Yeah.
So it's almost like a 300 euros, something like that. And then we have to pay for the cabin, which is like we have to, you know, like pay another money. So total would be 335 euros, which is way more expensive than, you know, we drive up to the, you know, like Dakar. Actually, if we are gonna drive up to the and we are not gonna stop by Dakar, we are just going to go to the St. Louis, so it's much better. So we decided not to do it, and then, you know, it is what it is. I never expected it is that expensive, because when I searched in the internet, it was like quite nice price, like 200 euros we can put our car in the cabin, and now it's like more than that. All right, so we tried our best, and it is what it is. Yeah, we know it's the kind of like simple. Now simple, we don't need to schedule anything, everything is on us, just we have to drive up.
Yeah, this is it. So today is Wednesday. So, Jipjam. Today is Jipjam?
Chef Jenny, yes.
Okay.
Many Chef Jenny.
다른 피쉬인데 잘 먹겠습니다. Bon appetit. 달라 맛이.
Is it good? It smells so good.
This. Do you remember we ate it? The seed. As
Yeah, it makes it a little bit sour. 그거 맛있더라.
나는 생선을 지금 파보겠다.
Okay, so
I did less than $10.
이제 어디 가지?
우리 이제 그 아프리카 뭐지? Artisan? Like arts area? 몰라. Exactly.
Okay, perfect. Grab this one. Wow, look, Hanya, 이거 봐봐. These are animal traps. You know, you step on it and kung.
Let me put some butter.
Yeah, wait, that's okay. Merci beaucoup. Alright, you got it, huh? Center artisanal, see. 어때?
아, 이거 예쁜 것 같다.
아.
이 색깔 예쁜 것 같다. I'm gonna do this. This one I think.
This one. But you know, touch.
Oh. Careful. Right now you're making this one?
Why this one? This one.
Ah.
We are in Jiggin Shore and how can I say in English?
Artisanal village?
Artisanal village. My English pronunciation is not good for this one. But anyways, this place is much chill and relaxed. I love it.
People are really nice here.
Dakar and then go to island. We were kind of like cursed a lot if we don't buy it. But here is like people are really chilling and nice.
Yeah.
We're gonna look around because like before we didn't have time to look because they were so pushing us. But here, you know, giving us the time to do it. So that's good.
Ça va?
Ça va bien.
Bien, merci. Entrez.
Yeah. Look at this cool backpack.
Oh, this is nice.
6 mil.
No problem.
Okay,
no problem.
alright.
Merci.
What do you think this is for?
Yeah, Mama.
Mama.
But until then, it's ours.
Until then it's ours. Okay.
아, 옛날 미싱이다.
발로 한다.
Oh, I know.
Nice.
아, 여기 괜찮은 것 같다.
Got it?
Yeah. We got it here.
Very nice.
They're chill and I love this vibe, you know?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay guys, we are back to campsite. We figured out that we are not gonna stay in this campsite tomorrow, so we are leave to other place a little bit cheaper than here. And that means we're gonna say goodbye to Tom and Teresa and Ismail and Natalie. So before, like behind of the video, we promised that we are gonna make a tteokbokki for them. So today I'm gonna make it. It will not be enough, Mom, but I will try my best. We don't have the rice cake, so I'm gonna use the rice paper so that I can bring a little bit of Korean flavor. Let's do it.
You know what? Now the temperature is perfect for the shower
Oh, really?
because the water is still very cold.
Uh-huh.
But since it's warm outside, now it helped me to cool down a lot. And now the shade is there. It's perfect.
Ah, nice. After this, I'm gonna do shower.
Can I help you?
Ah, it's okay. I can do it. It's easy. It's easy. Because like the cutting. Do you wanna try?
Okay.
So I'm not good at it actually. This water is quite hot.
Okay.
You can put the rice paper like this in your water. I always try to do 2 layers, but it's quite hard.
And then just roll it.
Yeah.
Ta-da!
Ah, nice! You did a good job.
First time.
Are you excited to go to the Guinea-Bissau?
Yeah. I mean, new country, new language. And we just found out, we were told today, they have pastéis de nata.
What is that?
In Korea, you have egg tart, you know? Egg tart?
Oh, yeah, I get that too. Yeah.
Yeah. Tteokbokki, Senegal. With a German. It's as international as it can get.
Right.
I think Natalie was born to make this.
I think so too.
Yeah,
In my
agree.
previous life, I was Korean.
gunner is dying.
Yeah, I'll get a new can.
dying. 진짜 유기물 만드는 게 장난 아니고 나 떡볶이 장사하는 것 같은데 지금.
Not sure how many chickens for each one.
Let's try with one.
So we'll try with a few first, and then we'll figure it out later.
Yeah.
A little extra soup in there.
Ah, jumper, such a jumper.
Yeah.
That's the easiest way to make sure he is not crying.
I don't know how they're gonna take, so we should start eating.
Yeah.
Oh, but you got the baby.
It's okay. You start before it gets soggy.
Amazing. So tasty. That's why I need to go to Korea.
And nobody tried the kimchi.
I forgot we had them. Nice.
Because kimchi goes well with ramyun.
I was going to see you again.
Safe travels back to
You
Europe.
too.
Enjoy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We will see you in Germany.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah. Bye. Bye. Safe travel. Alright. So are you guys ready? Ready for the Guinea-Bissau?
Ready to swim in the ocean tonight.
Ah, yeah, for sure. It's hot.
It was a big pleasure, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was really nice, and I was actually we spent almost a month, you know, not
Yeah.
every day, but you know, it's like we helped each other.
Yeah, and we got used to you guys.
It's gonna be weird without you.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we say same thing. It was weird, you know, you guys not being in Senegal anymore.
Yeah.
But finally, I'll be able to get some work done.
Until we say, okay, you know what, guys, we're coming back to Europe. Oh shit, these guys again.
No, we also we need to work on our YouTube. You know, we have 6 days to have a new video.
So guys,
Okay.
Hopefully see you in Europe.
it was a big
gonna
pleasure.
Until next
Let's go
time.
to the Oktoberfest.
Yeah, we should have
I'm
done.
gonna make you
Lucy,
discover all the tents.
Please take care.
You too. Oh, you guys were really oh, so weird. Yeah. Oh, so weird.
Hi.
Yeah, really. Maybe they will come back if something happened to
Yeah.
the border.
I hope for them everything goes smooth though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Safe travel. Yeah.
Bye, guys.
See you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Bye. Enjoy your travel.
There they go. I guess we're
Weird.
getting used to saying goodbye to friends again, huh?
Yeah, I guess so.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Always kind.
For right now, we need to focus on this awesome breakfast. Where's the bacon?
It's over there.
Yummy. Ready for you to cry.
Now I think I'm trying to hold the cry more, you know, better than before.
Normally I get at least 4 or 5 tears.
But when I cry, there's something happened to you in the border, they come back.
Yeah.
It happened.
Yes, don't cry.
Yeah. I want them to have adventure.